Whoa, thunderstorm.
No big deal. In the winter we hang outside. Yep. I didn't see this coming. This is a lot.
Good, real quick. You did use this.
Whoa, cheesy.
Mommy made the plan like I'm like doing. Yeah, right? What? Why did it go down here when we had it? Damn it! Go down, all of a sudden, you feel like you can live with it. Yeah, I was just going to say how it works. Yeah. It's nice to see. Yeah.
That way.
So it can't. It's broken all that.
Yeah, every time. It's everything.
What? Hey. So much for our swing party. It's pouring here. Yeah. Is there rain in there?
No, it's only right here. Right over top of it.
Just right here.
Yeah, it is.
I know. My mom said it's not raining. Wow, yeah. Okay.
Look.
Yeah, look how bright it is over there. Was it like torrential downpour? Oh! No, I'll just keep the water down my back. She said it was just doing that there. Now it's doing out. It's probably moving over. How's it down today? Did you? Oh, you laughed at all your okay. Did you Uber take it? Did you Uber take it?
You like Cheetos.
She does.
No, Alex too.
White chocolate. So good.
Hey, you're so pretty there.
Thank you.
I like that picture of you. I like the shirt. It brings out the
Where?
colors.
Where? Oh my God. Did you like it?
Oh, my.
Like that. Wow. Cool. Not even with me. Rain, go away. What'd you get? Chicken Caesar salad?
Shut up.
Right here. Fine.
Nice. Good. Wow. What's wrong? Yeah. I gotta do a little. Yeah, we're under her awning, but it's freezing. You don't want it so much rain real quick. Yeah. There you go. Now it's fine. Yeah.
Look,
Yeah, see,
Gay.
it's just coming up. We were in the pool for a little bit, and then we get out. It's right there. We gotta put a cup there. Yeah. So I said to Colleen, I said, all of a sudden it was like corn. I said, you can just feel the humidity. Yeah.
Wow, that's called green. Barb, tell me an answer.
Shut up.
He so far. She called me an ass.
Shut up.
Mama, Marty, you're in.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to block that out. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's
Oh my.
we're showing Kate.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, Caleb didn't actually die.
What are you gonna do tonight?
He didn't.
Yeah, it's getting later over there. So.
Probably did.
No, what was that? Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. Go away. All right. Come back another day. I will. Thanks. All right, Mom. Bye.
See y'all.
Oh, there's the breeze. Oh, there's a winemaking hot.